Hey, welcome back to yet another episode of the Corporate Gift Show, where we bring to you a new, interesting, exciting product gifting idea every single day. I am Shubra Acharya and I am the COO at OffiNeeds.com. Today, I bring to you an amazing, essential product to stay safe during these difficult times. This is the Pro-COVID Kit. This is a toiletry bag loaded with a whole lot of safety products to ensure that you and your family stay safe during these difficult times. Let's dive right into it and see what we've got inside it. So this gift set has 8 products like I mentioned. One is the toiletry bag itself. So this is a toiletry bag which you can put all these smaller safety products in and just throw it right into your bag so that you don't really have to scamper through your bag for these smaller little items, right? This is a COVID spray sanitizer spray pen. You can load it with about 10 ml of sanitizer liquid inside. It's reusable. Carry it in your pocket and you can use it every time you need sanitizer. So you're never going to really run out of sanitizer when you need it the most. So that's one product. The second item that we have is an antibacterial surface disinfectant. So every time you are spray this product on frequently touched surfaces like your lift buttons, refrigerator doors and all other products which probably get touched very frequently, right? The third product that we have is a germ kill spray, which is nothing but a sanitizer spray, and this one is in a sandalwood flavor. It's a spray sanitizer. Carry it in your bag and make sure you use it as often as required on your hands. The fourth product we have is a pop socket. This is a COVID safety key. How you use it is you put it inside, you put your finger inside and you use this for touching buttons, say like lift buttons, etc. And you can use this in order to open doors, so you don't have to really come in contact with all these surfaces which are used by a lot of other people as well. We also have a set of 25 sanitizer wipes so that you can wipe surfaces out every time you need to touch them, especially when you're going outside. The pack also contains one piece of a RN95 certified mask. So these are all the different products that come in this Pro-COVID kit. And there's ample space for branding as well. So if you want to ensure that, if you want to send out some gifts to your employees so that it helps them and their family members stay safe during these difficult times, this is a ready kit that we can ship out immediately to every single employee's doorstep. What do you think about this corporate gifting idea? Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please do like, share and comment below. Do follow us on thecorporategiftshow.com and follow OffiNeeds on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter and YouTube for a new corporate gifting idea every single day. See you in the next episode.